ACO have an extensive range of products to manage surface water within almost any type of built environment. The collection and conveyance of water can be achieved through use of specialist channel drainage systems, from the very shallow right up to the high-capacity Q-Max units shown here. Water is conveyed to an ACO treatment unit to fulfill the cleaning stage of the management cycle. Here, the Q-Ceptor is shown. We now see water entering the patented high-performance geocellular stormwater attenuation and infiltration solution, StormBrixx. A Q-Brake vortex unit of appropriately calculated dimensions is mounted inside a concrete chamber and regulates the release of stormwater into the watercourse or sewer. The ACO systems are designed to help create integrated drainage solutions for surface water: collect, clean, hold and release. The 4 process systems can be configured and integrated to fulfill almost any application. We can see here how stages can be swapped to incorporate and integrate soft solutions. This example shows the conveyed water released through a swale inlet and then attenuated and/or infiltrated within a swale.